In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan receipts on Expensify for taxes. So firstly, go to your Expensify and log into your Expensify account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, you're going to go and click on the expenses tab here. So you can click on that and you can click on a new expense. Okay, from the new expense here, you have the option where you can simply scan the receipt. So you have the option to like scan the receipt here. So to scan it, you can simply click on scan receipt. And then what we're going to do is simply select the receipt that you have saved from your system. So you can simply click on it and then save the receipt. So whatever the receipt is, you can simply like select it. Okay, select it and then hit on open, and that will like open up that will upload the receipt here, and then in that way you can able to scan it. Okay, you can see, as you can see, you have uploaded the receipt here. And also alternatively, what you can do if you're using these Expensify on your mobile, using the mobile app, then what you can do, you can simply scan it using your phone camera as well. So you can just scan it and then upload it here, so it will get you your expenses sheet here. So this is how you can scan and upload your receipts on Expensify. It's a very easy and straightforward process.